How can you add to your highlights on Instagram without having to post to your story in the first place? Today in this video I'll show you exactly how, so let's jump right into it. First open Instagram and then go to your profile by tapping right here in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are in your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner right there. A menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you'll be taken to your settings, look for Hide Story and Live option. Tap on it. You should find one option there that says Hide Story and Live From. Tap on it. You'll find all of your followers here. Make sure to select all of them. Since I only have one, I'm going to select that one. And when I quit, the changes will be saved. So I go back to my home screen of Instagram and then tap right here in the top left corner to add the picture that I want to add to my highlights on my story. Don't worry, nobody can get to see it since I have restricted them a minute ago. Once I'm done from that, I can go back to my account right here and then tap on my picture to open the story that I've posted. Finally, tap on highlights and then name the highlight that I want to add, since I'm going to be creating a new one. Now tap on add, and just like that, I have added that post to my highlights. After refreshing, you can see that I have added to the highlights successfully. Just do not delete the story and let it there for 24 hours to disappear on its own. After that, you can tap right here in the top right corner, tap on Settings and Privacy, and let's go and unrestrict those people that have restricted earlier. Just follow up with me and unselect them from here to go back to the normal state that you have been in before this tutorial. So just like that, you have added to your highlights with nobody getting to see your story in the first place. I hope you liked this video. If you had, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.